Hello everyone, so join me in the kitchen. Let's make some lunch/dinner together. On this day I was sitting and I was thinking of what to cook for lunch/dinner for my family, and one mind told me, why not boil some white rice with tomato stew? I mean, that's the easiest I could come up with. So I quickly went into my kitchen, grabbed my rice and started boiling. So first of all, I'm going to parboil the rice for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it or wash it and put the pot back on fire, then cook the rice until it is tender. I believe most of us know how to boil white rice, right? So I've just washed the rice after parboiling for 5 minutes, and I'm going to add some salt to that. I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to cook until it is done. Over there is my chicken. I'm going to add some salt, some seasoning cubes, and the rest of the ingredients into the meat, and then I'm going to steam the meat for some minutes. Now I just remembered something. I actually posted a part of this video on my Instagram reel one day like that. I think about 2 getting to 3 weeks ago. Can't even remember at this point. And then I got 2 comments from 2 different people. They were actually saying similar thing. But the one I want to say in this video is the one that said you cook your rice without washing it. Yuck. I bet the person said ew. I trust my fans, my real G's. They replied that person. How can you just watch a short clip, reels for that matter, and you conclude already that I don't wash my rice? For those of you following me, you guys know that I can't cook rice without washing it. If you have seen me cook rice without washing it, or I didn't even tell you guys that I washed it, please indicate in the comment section. Maybe I have forgotten, but as far as I know, I don't cook rice without washing it. Anyways, let's just focus on what we are doing here. I'm actually having some good time with my husband in the kitchen.
Oh my God, this man. Okay, I should not edit that part. I'm not even sure it was recorded. He said I shouldn't edit that part where we were quarreling. We just had a little argument now. That's why he said I shouldn't edit that part. So you guys will know that it's a normal thing for husband and wife to argue sometimes. I'm not sure it was recorded there. No. I think I've already turned it off. You said. Mommy, yeah. And now you are praising, you are calling me sweet name. Abby? You are calling me sweet name now. Look at him there. He's been busy since morning cleaning the house. He just had a little break now to eat something. He just had his breakfast now.
Guys, so the little argument I said I had with my hubby in this video was actually what his kids did though. And the way he was complaining about it, it was as if I'm the one that did it. Like he was actually saying it, thinking that I was the one that did it. And I'm like, you too, they complain.
Is it smelling?
It smells like
smells like rice. Of course, I'm making rice. Let's see.
We are hungry.
You are hungry? Okay, don't worry. We'll soon be ready, okay? I'm hungry too. Just that I'm waiting to eat this rice. No, Daddy is not hungry. He just had his breakfast now. And it's currently 10 to 11 a.m. So by the time I'm done cooking this, I'm sure it would have been 12.
As you guys can see, my rice is already done. So to that chicken now I'm adding my bottled tomatoes. So I'm making this stew with just bottled tomatoes, no fresh tomatoes, no bell peppers, just the bottled tomatoes. I'm just going to add it into the meat. The meat is not completely done, it's like 80% done. So I'm going to add the bottled tomatoes, cover the pot, and allow this to cook for like 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes at most, and then the stew is done. It's as simple as that. Like, I don't have to fry anything. This is more like a one pot stew or one pot recipe. One pot stew recipe, yes, that's the name. So before I cover the pot, I went in with my sliced onions. I added nutmeg powder, and what again? Did I add any other thing? Okay, I added paprika powder as well. Then mixed everything all together to combine well, cover the pot, and allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you taste though, because I always do, just to be sure that everything is okay. And as you can see, I'm cooking and cleaning at the same time. So I'm just checking up on the stew now, just to see if everything is done, and it needed 5 more minutes, and after about 5 more minutes or thereabouts, my stew was done. Guys, let me tell you, this stew might look so simple to you, but it actually tastes so good, like so delicious. You can't even tell that I didn't fry it. So sometimes try boiling your stew without frying, having to fry this, fry that. Sometimes all those fry, you know, they're too good for our body. So try boiling the tomatoes, like cook everything all at once, both the meat, the tomatoes. And finally, guys, I'm done with the cooking. So here is the stew, looking so good. And you guys remember, I didn't add any oil to this stew. Believe it or not, I didn't add not even a single drop of oil. But right now you can see the oil floating on top. That is because the chicken has enough fat on it, so it has released the fat, which eventually turned to oil. So I don't need to add any more oil to this stew. Look at that. Anyways, that's it. I'm just going to dish out my rice and enjoy. And guys, here is my portion. Come and join me, guys. Let's eat. The food is ready. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to give you guys a taste test. Guys, that was like that rice and that stew with the banana joined together. Oh my goodness, absolutely delicious. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.